IOC and DI. IOC stand for inversion of control, and DI stand for dependency injection. Spring IOC, inversion of control container, is a core of Spring framework. It creates the objects, configure and assemble their dependencies, manage their entire life cycle. The container uses dependency injection to manage the components to make up the application. It gets the information about the objects from a configuration file XML or Java code or Java annotation and Java Pojo class. These objects are called beans. Since the controlling of object Java object and their life cycle is not done by the developers, hence the name inversion of a control. The following some main features of a Spring IOC is a creating object for us, managing our objects, helping our application to be configurable, managing dependencies. Then we will discuss about dependency injection. The dependency injection is a main functionality provided by a Spring IOC inversion of control. The Spring core module is responsible for injecting dependency through either a constructor or a setter method. The design principle of inversion of a control emphasis keeping the Java classes independent of each other, and the container frees them all from objects creation and maintenance. These classes managed by Spring must adhere to the standard definition of a Java beans. Dependency injection in Spring also ensure loose coupling between the classes. There are two types of Spring dependency injections: setter dependency injection (SDI) and constructor dependency injection (CDI). First, setter dependency injection. Setter dependency injection is a simpler of two dependency injection methods. In this dependency injection, we will inject with the help of a setter and or getter method. Now, to set the dependency injection as a setter injection in the bean, it is done through the bean configuration file. For this property to set the with the setter injection is declared under the property tag. It means configure file. Second one is a constructor dependency injection. The constructor dependency injection, the dependency injection will be injected with the help of a constructor. Now set the dependency injection as a constructor dependency injection in a